start. The original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, of which suo motu proceedings are a variant, is limited by the Constitution to the enforcement of fundamental rights for a question of public importance. Full stop. Around a decade ago, Karachi was a caspit. Full stop. The MQM and ANP were warring over turf. Full stop. The Triple P had entered the fight by arming gangster based out of Lyari. Full stop. With the city facing a governance vacuum, it was ripe for a trial by Chaudhary. Full stop. The Supreme Court took suo motu notice. Full stop. Orders would be fired across the board. Officers would be suspended. The police would quake in their shoes before the might of if Tikhar Chaudhary's justice. Full stop. It was doubtly beneficial for Chaudhary and his backers to take on the Sindh government. Full stop. It was hitting the weak ruling PPP where it hurt in its bread basket of Sindh. Full stop. A summary of Supreme Court activism in Sindh shows vast intrusion into government functions. Full stop. There has been a ban on public land transfers in the province by the court for nearly a decade on the premise that the entire bureaucracy is corrupt. Full stop. The entire civil structure hierarchy of Sindh's bureaucracy was appended by the court for the crime of promoting and positioning candidates of their choosing. Full stop. Through a grossly expanded reading of the federal legislative list, Sindh was told its well-curated hospitals belonged to the Federation, which doesn't know what to do with them. Full stop. In the process of what seemed to be mission get Triple P, provincial supremacy stands eroded to a point where it is at odds with the plain meaning of the Constitution. Full stop. People continue to suffer from a governance vacuum which activist judges set out to fix, and the PPP is under added pressure. Full stop. Rather than fighting back on the political and public front, it perhaps looks towards dealing with the supposed original backers of Mission Independent Justice. Full stop. In this expanded judicial playing field entered the current Chief Justice of Pakistan. Full stop. The protections of original jurisdiction expanded. Full stop. From being simply angry at the government, the court became angry at those apparently facilitated and advantaged